Well, we talk a lot about maintaining a healthy immune system, especially during cold and flu season. Plus, we know that people who are immunocompromised are more susceptible to getting COVID-19. So exactly what is our immune system and what is the best way to help ourselves and our kids remain healthy? Well, here to the rescue, Dr. Desai. He is a professor and chair of primary care at KCU, and he's here to explain that to us. So let's start with our immune system, Dr. Desai. How does it keep us healthy?
Yeah, Kim, so that's a great question and on a lot of people's minds. So we have one layer of protection from our skin and the mucous membranes in our nose that kind of stop the germs from getting in. But if they do get in, we have the immune system, which helps us. So it's a bunch of different body parts like the spleen, the white blood cells, the bone marrow, that make germ-fighting cells to ward off intruders. And the good thing is that our body has a memory. So once we've been exposed to something, either by getting an infection or by getting an immunization, we have a better chance of fighting it off next time.
So are kids more at risk for illness since their bodies don't have as long to build up that memory?
That's exactly right. So their immune system is still developing. So especially very young children are at higher risk for getting ill because they haven't had that exposure that most adults have.
So what about doing something like taking vitamin C? Can that help our immune systems?
Yeah, so you sure do see a lot of advertising for vitamin C and different supplements to help boost immunity. But they've done a lot of studies on vitamin C, and most people, if they're getting adequate amounts in their diet, they don't need to take the extra supplements of vitamin C because you end up just kind of urinating it out. And it hasn't really been shown to be effective in people, with a good diet to prevent any kind of illness.
So if you don't have a good diet, maybe that's something to ask your doctor about. What are some other things just to keep us healthy in general? What else can we do?
Yeah, so those same things that we talk about every week, just those lifestyle things that help us be healthy, include getting enough sleep, having a well-balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, making exercise a daily part of your routine, and trying to avoid drinking alcohol to excess, avoid using tobacco or vaping, etc. And then just avoiding exposure. So try and wear a mask if you're going out, wash your hands frequently, and that way you don't have to test out how good your immune system is.
So how does the immune system fit into the COVID picture? Can a healthy immune system help prevent someone from getting COVID?
Yeah, so when COVID first came out, it was a pretty new pathogen. So our bodies did not have a memory of it affecting us in the past. And that's why the vaccine was so critical, because it helped the bodies to get ready for a future infection. So, unfortunately, it didn't help the first time when it first came out, but now with the vaccines, it can help us ward it off a little bit better.
Dr. Desai, great information as always. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Hey, thank you, Kim. My pleasure. Have a great week.
You too.